Welcome, boys and girls. We are on lesson 10.5 on capacity. The objectives today are to explore the concepts of capacity and to demonstrate equivalencies between measures of capacity. The word capacity is used in two different ways in this unit. In 10.3, the capacity of a scale was defined as the greatest weight a scale can measure. In this lesson, capacity refers to the amount a container can hold. So let's start with the math message. The pint is a unit of measure for liquids, such as milk and juice. On your dry erase board, list as many other units as you can that are used to measure liquids. Pause the video here. So let's see what you thought of. Here are some units of measure for liquids: cup, quarts, half gallon, gallon, fluid ounces, liter, and milliliter. How did you do? Your student reference book on page 160 and 161 talks more about capacity. Sometimes we need to know the amount of things that can be poured. All liquids can be poured. Some solids, such as sand and sugar, can be poured too. The volume of a container that holds liquid is often called its capacity. Capacity is usually measured in units such as gallons, quarts, pints, cups, fluid, ounces, liters, and milliliters. Liters and milliliters are metric units. Gallons, quarts, pints, cups, and fluid ounces are U.S. customary units. Most labels for liquid containers give capacity in both metric and U.S. customary units. The table below shows how different units of capacity compare to each other. So you can see 1 gallon is equal to 4 quarts. 1 quart is equal to 2 pints. 1 pint is equal to 16 fluid ounces. 1 gallon is equal to 128 fluid ounces. 1 liter is equal to 1,000 milliliters, and 1 milliliter is equal to 1/1000th of a liter. Here's a cup, a pint, a quart, half gallon, and gallon, as I stated previously. Did you know a leaky faucet drips once a minute can waste 38 gallons of water in a year? That's a lot of water, boys and girls. Turn off your faucet. Boys and girls, today you'll be working on page 250 in your math journal and math box. That is also coming up on page 252. On page 250, you're going to be asked to mark the unit you would use to measure each item. And there's 12 that you're going to have to look at. And for problems 13 and 14, it says solve. You may draw pictures to help you work. And again, your answer will be in liter and milliliters for 13, and for 14 in kilogram and grams. If you haven't started page 252 yet, this is what it looks like. There are, of course, 6 math boxes, and you'll be working on partial product. You'll be completing a bar graph, circling a unit to use to measure items, just like we were talking about in today's lesson. Cross out fractions less than 2/3. Place a circle around the fraction equivalent to 2/3. Find the area of the rectangle in number 5 and number 6. Shade to show the following data. Good luck and have fun.